$25, right? But
assuming they
So the people behind them to pass for everybody to win. We've gotten used to a 6.
This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 488, effective until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blackford, DeKalb, Grant, Huntington, Jay, Kosciuszko, Noble, Wabash, Wells, and Whitley, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Paulding, and Van Wert, and the following: Maumee-Bay to Reno Beach, Ohio, and Reno Beach to the Islands, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
We're doing more. There's probably going to be more in the next state budget.
Yeah, I mean, I know when you and I were looking at this, it looked like if everything goes on track, unless something crazy happens.